Floods that once took hours, even days to subside across Metro Manila are now receding faster after heavy rains, all thanks to intensified dredging, upgraded drainage systems, and round-the-clock pumping operations under Oplan Contra Baha. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is closely monitoring the situation, praising the faster flood response as agencies ramp up relief efforts and disaster preparedness nationwide. IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena tells us more.
If before, it takes several hours to days before floods in many parts of Metro Manila subside after heavy rains, now the floodwater eases in some major thoroughfares in just minutes. According to the Department of Public Works and Highways, this was the result of dredging and cleaning of waterways, drainage systems improvement, activation and maintenance of pumping stations, and active collection and cleaning of garbage. Kamanava area also didn't experience heavy flooding unlike before, and these were all praised by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Marami tayong mga sinimulan na mga intervention sa iba't ibang areas sa Metro Manila at sa iba pang mga lugar, kasama na yung Oplan Contra Baha na ginaunch ng ating Pangulo. And dahan-dahan nakikita natin yung mga magagandang resulta nito. No?
Napalalim na po natin ng 2 to 3 meters ang mga major creeks and waterways na talaga naman pong nagpabilis ng daloy ng tubig para po mailabas po natin siya at hindi po maipon sa kalsada.
The DPWH ensures that anti-flood interventions will continue as the agency is set to request funds for flood management and flood mitigation projects under the 2027 national budget. The Department of Social Welfare and Development meanwhile disclosed that they were already able to release 54,000 family food packs and 39.37 million pesos humanitarian assistance. This is on top of stockpiled 254,000 non-food items and 1.6 billion pesos standby funds.
This is the largest stockpile the country has since we started doing this system. Upon growing it, alinsunod na rin sa utos ng ating Pangulo to make sure that we've pre-positioned before typhoon, earthquakes, volcano, or any type of disaster happens.
The Pag-asa moreover said that Baguio City recorded the biggest amount of rainfall from August 1 to 9, wherein the rainwater is already equivalent to 1.5 months of rainfall. However, the Weather Bureau expects the skies to normalize in the coming days. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. actively monitors the situation as he led a situation briefing at Malacanang.
Ipinag-utos din ng Pangulo na agad na tiyaking naabot ang lahat ng mga apektadong residente, lalong-lalo na sa malalayong lugar. Siniguro rin ng Pangulo na mabigyan ng tulong ang lahat ng mga apektado, kabilang na yung mga residenteng nakabalik sa kani-kanilang tahanan mula sa mga evacuation centers.
He also ordered the Department of Health to prepare for diseases to be brought about by the persistent rains and floods such as leptospirosis. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.